We have a party coming up, and I was looking for some simple favors that kids would actually be excited about. When I found these Sillybandz, I knew they would be perfect. This pack comes with 100 bracelets in all kinds of fun shapes and colors, so I'm planning to spread them out on the table and let the kids pick out their favorites. I think that's way more fun than everyone getting the exact same thing. What really got me though was the nostalgia. I remember collecting these bands when I was younger and trading them with friends to find all the different shapes. It's funny how trends always seem to come back around because now my kids are getting excited about the same things we loved growing up. I also like that there are so many different shapes mixed in. Kids can compare what they got, trade with each other, and try to collect their favorites. I can already picture them standing around the table showing each other what they picked and swapping for the ones they really want. These are stretchy, colorful, and designed to keep their shape. I feel like it's the simple activities that keeps kids entertained the most without needing anything fancy, and it adds so much extra fun to the party. Whether you're filling up party favor bags, setting up prize tables, or just looking for a fun little surprise for kids, these are such a fun, affordable choice, and it's really fun seeing a childhood trend make a comeback all these years later.